The last one is the full automatic floor. And this one, everything falls on the floor, goes directly to the recycling and cleaning system. And we offer two types of the full automatic floor. One of them is the with hoppers at the bottom of the gratings. The second type is the scrapper floor. The hoppers requires more pit, more depth in the pit, while the scrapper floor you can have a pit of something like half a meter, while in the hoppers you need a pit for something like 1.5 or 2 meters in the civil wall. So in the full automatic floor, anything falls on the floor goes to the recycling system, whether it's abrasive or garbage or dust or anything. It goes to the recycling system, cleaned, and you get back the clean abrasives in the silo where you can use it again in your next operation. The second optimizing process for the painting is the clean air is the paint rooms. There are main features of the paint room, which is having a clean air inlet to the room, improving the coating efficiency and also the transfer efficiency from the nozzle to the workpiece, having a stable airflow. This will enhance the finish of painting. There are mainly three types of paint rooms in how the air will flow. The first one is the cross draft, where the air goes from one side of the room to the other side of the room. Cross draft it requires less ventilation capacity than the downdraft one, and also it's more suitable for long workpieces where you are interested to paint one side of it. And normally these workpieces are placed in the room parallel to the airflow. This picture shows a truck, but actually the truck is not the suitable workpiece for the cross draft. The second one is the downdraft, where the air comes from the top of the room to the bottom, extracted from the bottom. And you can see this one, which is this picture shows it better. You can see this one in all the vehicle painting workshop. It gives the optimal surface finish, and it also requires more capacity for the ventilation. The third one is the cross-side draft. It's a compromise between the cross draft and the downdraft in order to get the best of both of them. But anyway, still the downdraft is the best for the vehicles, and the cross draft paint booth still also the best for steel factories and steel manufacturers. The control of the humidity of the air and the temperature during the blasting. If you have a higher humidity rate and you are doing blasting and you have started in the morning and you still keep blasting your workpiece, when you finish, if it's a big workpiece, when you finish, say for example, at the noon or afternoon, the part that you have blasted in the morning, if you have a high humidity, will start rust again. So, to control the humidity of the room, it's required to have an air conditioning system. This is an industrial one called a dehumidifier to cool the air, remove the humidity, and also it has another feature which is the desiccant wheel to make the dehumidifier suitable for all the seasons, all over the year. Just to show you this graph, it shows how the rust, the rate of the corrosion increased dramatically after when you have a humidity ratio above the 45%. Less than 45%, you're mainly in a safe area, but this is not the case in the Middle East. The last solution for the optimizing the process is the wheel blast machine. The wheel blast machine is airless machine to do the blasting without the need of compressed air. So you don't need a compressed air, and everybody knows that compressed air is cost. And the main feature of this machine is it's automatic and almost level-free, maybe one or two operators, and you have to place the material over the conveyor. Dedicated to the mass production, can be combined to an automatic painting line. I can show you in the next slide. It has different configurations to suit every product, starting from the small casted items till the huge profiles or steel assemblies. It gives higher efficiency compared to the compressed air blasting. The wheel blast machine, main industries that are interested in this machine are the steel structure factories, pipelines companies, steel suppliers, and the foundries. Here in these two pictures, we are showing the main components of a wheel blast machine. The blasting chamber in the middle here with the wheels that act like a turbine to with the centrifugal force to push the abrasive to the workpiece. Normally this to a speed of between 70 and 80 meters per second. The abrasive reclaim system, there is a hopper at the bottom of the blast chamber, goes to the top, and here you have the recycling system and the hopper, and the gates to control the flow of the abrasives to each wheel. We normally in Airblast offer one gate for each wheel, and the entrance chamber and external chamber just to extract the dust and make the process completely dust-free. Here in this one, we show how the wheels are arranged to do blasting for pipes. This unit is having 8 wheels, and those streams, I'm sure it's not clear here, shows how the abrasive, the airstream, sorry, not the airstream, the abrasive streams goes to hit the surface, and all the surfaces are covered with also the bounce back effect. Another configuration of the machine is the small one with 2 wheels to blast the tanks, whether it's LPG tanks or pipes or small tanks for the firefighting tanks. And another configuration for steel beam for the construction. And you have here 2 wheels placed vertically and with an angle to clean the difficult areas. This is the line of blasting and painting. It starts with inlet roller conveyor, and here you have the blasting machine. After that, you have the painting area, automatic paint spray that moves horizontally to paint the outcome of the blasting equipment. And the drying cabinet to dry your products, and goes after that to the outlet roller conveyor. This machine is completely automatic, and it's more suitable for the profiles, or if you have certain width and height products like steel frames. Okay, now we have finished the part for the equipment that we wanted to highlight today. We come to the training of the personnel for the blasting and the painting. We can offer to our customers the training which is required to train their operators on how to use the machine. And normally we can do the demonstrations